young nigga turned to a star. Cannot forget, I have no regrets. I can't forget. Yeah, I can't forget, I got no damn regrets. Can't forget, and I got no regrets. Life is just like a movie, so I'm living my best life in this movie. My bitches, they're bad and they're bougie, flexing on a bushy black Gucci. Got a bad bitch and she looking like a Ruchi. Yeah, nigga, no changing, but life keep on be changing. People acting strange when you got a dough. You better know your friends from your foes, yeah. People come around when you got it beneficial. People always around when it's beneficial. Gotta see that, gotta see that. OG, you not gonna be that, yeah. So I just keep on moving on, going on, moving on. Can I trust the soul? Honestly, my heart is in a hole. Can I fold? My heart is in a hole, but I'm on my lonely road, and I'm going on, yeah. There's no changing, but yet life still be changing, rearranging. People acting strange when you got money. They come around when it's beneficial, come around that time. But when you're broke, you never see them around, and you never see them calling your phone. Yeah, it's just a lonely road. I'm obeying my code, stick to myself, and I know a couple bros. I know a couple bros that I know I can call on, yo. So there's no changing, but yeah, life still be changing. People acting strange when you got that money. They only come around when it's beneficial. They love the things that are vanity. They don't give up, but your life you better see. They only around because you got that money. I'm speaking my facts, I ain't speaking no jokes. It's true though, these bitches don't love you and they don't love you though. Yeah, that's true though. I got no regrets, nothing I regret. There's nothing that I regret. All the bad memories I forget.